Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 13th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't seen my full top down analysis from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound made a nice push up today at the PPI news that we had for the US dollar. Ever since we broke structure to the upside last week, I've been saying that you definitely should be looking for longs in an uptrend. This is why trading with the trend is so important to me because, man, there's been some very, very nice little long opportunities. And today just kind of proves even more that trading with the trend is usually the most profitable scenario for sure. Now, we do have CPI inflation data coming out tomorrow. It's going to be interesting to see what that does. I personally think there's a pretty good chance the trend has a long ways on the upside. I still think the very high time phase could be a wave 3. And if that's the case, this thing has a lots and lots of upside potential. So, like I said, it's going to be interesting to see what inflation data does tomorrow. But for now, I am definitely still looking for longs at the end of every pullback I see because the trend is my friend. And I definitely do continue to trade with the trend at all times. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.